Hi, Mom.
Huh?
Hi.
Hi.
Are you recording?
I don't know, maybe.
I don't see a red dot.
That's good.
Dewey!
Get her, Dewey. Get her, Dewey.
No, don't get
Hi. I just got that on recorded.
I won't let you play with the camcorder. And Dewey just
No,
showed
my
me his
mustache.
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 Come on.
Come on, Bexy Stash, come on.
Tell him, Dew.
I know.
Dewey,
Tell him. Hold on, I gotta get in there.
You can probably see his nose, too.
Yep. There's stuff up there. What you doing, Mommy? I'm reading.
Reading what?
It's about the core filter. Because I actually found it in the book.
Oh.
And I had no idea. Yep, I was clueless. Seems like I'm that way quite a bit.